Welcome back to the channel. This is a video I've been waiting to do for quite some time because this is a video on my watch. I would say it was like my third watch that I ever got in my life. And this is the watch I got at the end of high school and didn't realize it, but it was going to be the watch I wore throughout the military and a little bit in college. So this watch is really special to me. It's, a PULSAR PYM 001S. Nothing super special or crazy, but what's kind of cool about this video is if you wanted to go back to the 90s and open one of these up brand new, I just happen to have all the boxes, all the material, everything. I just kept it all. So, this video is going to show the unboxing. I also will show kind of a really quickly strap swap because the current strap is the original strap. It's really old. But everything is great with this watch. The only thing that recently was an issue with it was the battery. Got that replaced, and that's the picture you see on the opening screen when it popped up. It kind of took me back in time seeing, the number 92 in the center for the year. And it's a great watch. I mean, it's got a solar compass that I actually used in the military. This thing was rough and tumble. It's just a fun, great watch. Good size for the 90s. It was, in the 40 millimeter range. It's a big, chunky watch, and something that I'll never get rid of, something I'll enjoy until it dies, and it just has a special place for me. So I'm not going to do any more narrating through the video, and hope you enjoy the unboxing, and thanks for watching.